So, welkom almal. Ek is bly julle het die guts gehad en die drive gehad om vroeg op te staan, veral those from Wesselsbron. I'm so glad you are here. Also Klerksdorp, Orkney, Viljoenskroon. Thank you, Renee and Potch. So hopefully you will learn something today and we're going to really have a good time. You will see this presentation, you're not going to sit like her and going to sit. Boring. If I see someone like that, you hear the music, you're going to dance for us. No, I like to do the seminars really interactive with everyone because through my years, I hated to sit and listen. And my spam is very short. I have ADHD. I was diagnosed on a very late stage in my life. Also, dyslexia. So now I understand why I was also like that. 5 minutes in the seminar, then I'm gone. So please put your phone on silent, if you don't mind. We're going to take a break, so there will be time if there's a crisis. But really, I want you to be interactive. I'm going to try to do everything in English. Forgive me if I do some words in Afrikaans. Troy will help me, but I'm really going to try. So every one of you are here today because you are in a workspace. Am I correct? You're not a housewife or in school or whatever. How old are you?
Sy's 'n student.
At PUC. First year.
Ja. Sy het nou eerste graad gekry.
Oh! And in which, what a graad? Oh, so I must be careful, eh? She's going to observe me. No, I'm just joking. So I always say, even in psychology, everyone is a salesperson. Maybe she thinks she's not a salesperson yet, but I think all of you will agree with me, even when you have children or grandchildren, or husband, or wife, or girlfriend, actually you are marketing. Remember when you first dating, you are 2 years in a marriage, when you begin to date your husband, you will not admit it, but you sell yourself, eh? Your husband sell himself to you. By the way you talk, by the way you act, by the way you say things. Hey, so will every one of you guys are salespeople, actually, and marketing people. It's just different platforms and different workspaces. So today's presentation, don't think, oh, I'm not in the sales department. Vian, you are technical, hey, in the technical. Actually, doesn't matter because you work with people. The moment you work with people, like I said, your children, everyone, even when you go to the store and buy something, you work with people. You are in a sales environment and a marketing. Because even if you go to the doctor, it's how you present yourself. Okay, so to be successful in your personal life and in your work environment, you need some tips and techniques, I think. And we're going to begin with the basics. And like I said, sometimes you must be creative, especially when you have teenagers. Who have teenagers? You don't have children?
I have.
How old are they?
13.
Teenagers. You mean your wife struggling with him? Or not you? You are great with him, hey? Okay. And you, Sarah?
The first one is 27 years, the second one is 17 years old.
Okay, also different age groups, right? So you are welcome to take some notes. Through the course of this presentation, we're going to do, after some topics, I'm going to ask you questions and I'm going to give away some prizes. So you need to listen and you can write it down. So I think Victor is the only person who was previous seminars, hey? Some of the things will be the same, so you're not going to participate in that because you will know. The rest of you, just listen and make notes. Right, there you go. So, the avocado principle, we begin at the basics, like I said. Basics, in your personal life, in your workspace. How many of you love avocados? Okay. Did any of you try to grow an avocado tree? You? Was it successful? Who else? You? Was it successful? Not.
No, Sam, I did get the growth out of the pit, but then it died.
And how? That's the thing. Sometimes we begin stuff in our business or in our personal life. Yes, and we are so committed with this process. And then it just died. We have good ideas sometimes in our business. And we go to the owner and say, listen, I think we must do this to put the brand out there. And it doesn't work. And you give up. Am I correct? You gave up. You didn't try again. Did you try again? That's a shame. Can I ask you, how did you get the pit to grow? What did you do?
The water trick after 2 weeks as of holding it and trying to regrow, it died specifically because I didn't give enough water.
You can speak Afrikaans if it's better for you. Okay, so it's A, am I correct?
Yes.
Because there's three ways you can do that. And you?
Yeah.
C. Nobody tried the B. Why? If you, the A is with sticks, the B is with, it's in vata. What is vata in English? Cotton wool, thank you. Wet cotton wool in a warm place and just put it in the ground. So when I started my business, this thing, I'm a child of God. So sometimes I will work in the night and I will get these ideas. And I believe it's from God. And I never should have thought I will do seminars. I never had, but it happened. And this thing came to my mind. And I tried all that. And you're correct. A doesn't work, C doesn't work. But when I tried B, okay guys, Victor, you will remember was you at the previous seminar when I had the big tree?
Yes.
But it's winter now. But that was in August last year, I think, or September. So this one is a little bit small. It's difficult in winter because avocados don't like cold. They like warm, wet and warm. And this was the one last month, about 2 months ago. I did the cotton method. And yeah, here it is in the winter. So someone is going to win this. Right, so how do you do it? And guys, sorry, I forgot it. The one thing I needed to bring, I forgot. So what you do, you take cotton, you take the pit. Did you, when you do the pit, pull out the skin?
Yeah.
Did you? Yeah. That is why it did begin to grow. You must pull out the skin. How do you pull out the skin? You put it in cold water for a day or so, and then it's very easy to pull out the skin of the pit. And then you take cotton wool, wet cotton wool, like a baby. We have babies. Nobody have babies here. And you make it in a plastic bag, or I put mine, that one I put just in a plastic holder, in a warm space, in a window, especially now in the winter. And it will grow. But it takes time. Believe me, I have lots of failures with this. But I just go on. And I said to myself, I will get it done. Now I have like 4 trees like this. I planted in the garden. So why did I tell you the story of the avocado tree? Marketing takes time, persistence, consistency, and you just do it. Even if it don't work, the first 3 months. But it takes time and consistency. And where does it begin? Basics. The avocado won't grow if you don't take out the skin. It won't grow. I'll tell you now. You can even do this method. It's not going to grow. Do the wortels. Wortels?
Roots.
What? Roots. Thank you. So, what is the basic? The one first thing you must do, peel off the skin. Okay. And that is like marketing and sales. And even everything else you do in your life, basic. Begin with the basics. So what is the basics in our workspace? Okay, that is, I already give that. Okay. We will get to the basics just now. I'm going to play you a video. Please listen and look and make notes if you want. I'm going to give away something.
Hey, thanks for watching the kids also at short notice. Come on in.
Hey, I know we said 10, but do you think you could stay till 11?
Probably. I'm just gonna call off.